Our cabinet in Pakistan has approved the implementation of the D8 preferential trade agreement as well as its protocol on dispute settlement mechanism. Excellencies, connectivity is a force multiplier and is rightly hailed as a vehicle for peace and prosperity, as emphasized in the Dhaka Declaration earlier in 2021. We need to explore the possibilities of developing and enhancing transport connectivity among D8 member states for building efficient intra-trade corridors and reliable supply chains. In this behalf, Pakistan, Iran and Turkey corridor is an excellent project for very efficient connectivity.